Hi, this is Mr. Warden. This is Algebra Exit Ticket 28.2, video key. So, based on what you've done with Quadratics 3, I'm hoping you can create an equation to model this situation. So Jimbo is selling automatic banana peelers for $700 each. It's a real, actual thing that really exists. You can actually look that up, automatic banana peelers. He can sell 900 of them at that price. Okay, so he's worked out that for every $20 increase, he will lose 30 sales. So what we want to do is we want to create a price times sales equation. And our starting price was, of course, 700, and he sold 900. Okay, so we can put that together, and then we can start building the equation from there. So what we don't know is how many price increases, but we know that one price increase is $20, and one price increase means we lose 30 sales. But if we had multiple price increases, we could say 20 times X price increases, and we would lose 30 sales for every price increase. And there you have your equation. Okay, revenue in terms of X will equal 700 plus 20X times 900 minus 30X. I encourage you to check that out on Desmos and see what it looks like. You'll probably have to manipulate. Actually, I'll go ahead and do that really quickly. I'll work that out right now. Go to Desmos, and it'll be a useful opportunity to remind you how to manipulate the screen size. So you can see we've got these two things that look like vertical lines, which are not. Let's make that y equals, or actually I'll say r in terms of x. So that's the function revenue in terms of x number of price hikes. All right, so this is clearly really steep, but I'm going to zoom out. So I'm noticing that I've got x-intercepts at negative 35 and 30. That'll help me later. So I'm going to zoom out until I get to the top of this thing. Pretty high up there. There it is, right about there. So now I'm going to change some things. I'm going to make it a little more bolder, and then I'm going to change the x-axis to negative 60 and 60. And now we can see the whole thing very nicely. And you can actually see that Jimbo has already got his price too high. He actually needs to back it up a little bit. He needs to back it up to 2.5 price hikes, and then he'll actually be at his optimal price. It's currently not too far off, but he's not making as much money as he could, and he's going to get it worse as he raises the price. All right, so I just wanted y'all to see that. All right, let's go back in here. So what are the x-intercepts for this polynomial? Okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 linear equations being multiplied. We want an x-intercept for each one. So x-intercept for that one will be 3. So x equals 3. X will equal negative 12, because negative 12 plus 12 will be 0. Yes. Okay, and then the next one, since the next one is x minus 9, 9 minus 9 would be 0, so x could be 9. And then x plus 205, well, negative 205 plus 205 would be 0, so x could equal negative 205. All right, I'm wondering how far you got today, and I hope that this was helpful.